In this video, we're going to see the unveiling of the LEGO McLaren P1 1-to-1 scale replica with 342,817 LEGO elements, weighing 1,220 kilograms or 2,690 pounds. Developed by 23 LEGO specialists in collaboration with McLaren and LEGO, using 8,344 hours. Let's get to it and see the North American debut of the life-size LEGO Technic McLaren P1. Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today we're here to see a 1-to-1 scale of a McLaren P1 supercar, but in LEGO form. Some of you may say this has nothing to do with my channel, but I'm a big LEGO fan myself. I've built many LEGOs from a Porsche 911 GT3 RS to a Hulkbuster, a Ferrari F40, some Harry Potter LEGOs, you can name it. Hoping one day I will be able to build my own Lexus NX LEGO, but not 1-to-1. But at least I'll give that a try one day. Without further ado, let's see the debut of the McLaren P1 1-to-1 LEGO at the Canadian International Auto Show.
Good morning again. Thank you for joining us here at the Canadian International Auto Show 2025 edition. Yes, LEGO has done it again. They have always provided outstanding displays, and this one is extra special. We're pleased to have you join us for the North American debut of the life-size LEGO Technic McLaren P1. We will meet our special guests momentarily, Lubor Zelinka and Jonathan Beaumont. I think we need to do a countdown for the reveal of these two outstanding vehicles though. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see them. Four, three, two, one. Let's see them. And there they are. Don't they look fantastic? Congratulations. Beautiful. As mentioned, we have special guests with us here as part of the LEGO group. Please welcome Lubor Zelinka, who is the design specialist from LEGO group. Lubor, it's great to have you.
Pleasure to be here.
Jonathan Beaumont is the senior vehicle engineer manager at McLaren Automotive. Jonathan, wonderful to have you as well.
Great to be here. It's an honor.
I want to talk about both of these cars, but I want to talk a little bit about your background and how you came to be where you are. Jonathan, let's pause for a second. Let's let Lubor start with your background.
I've been with LEGO for over 10 years. Started in 2014 as a designer. Now I'm a design management specialist. I was part of actually quite a few life-size and one-to-one builds. I've been building since I was age 3. I still love it. And I can't get enough of it. And this is our latest and greatest.
It is the latest and the greatest. And Jonathan, a little bit about your background as well.
Yes, I've been with McLaren Automotive since July 2013. I have the pleasure of working on most of our Ultimate Series products. So started out as a vehicle development engineer and now as a senior vehicle engineering manager on the new W1. And my role within the program was really to make sure that the life-size LEGO Technic model was as representative as possible and reflective of the full-scale vehicle that we see here today.
So knowing your background with McLaren and knowing this car intimately, interesting that it was this LEGO pairing that came together. How did you approach that? How did you make this program?
So really, it's a great collaboration between the team at McLaren Automotive and Lubor and his team at the LEGO Group. Really focused on bringing out as much of the technical excellence that you find in the road going P1 and really building that into the model that you see in front of you there.
And Luke, this is a massive project and undertaking for you and your group. Again, how do you approach such a monster, if you will?
It is a massive undertaking. We were on a tight clock this time. It took 7 months. A team of 23 people, almost 8,500 hours were put into this vehicle. And what we do is to approach it piece by piece, solving the challenges as they come. And there were quite a few. So this is the first time we have a LEGO Technic vehicle that has full steering and suspension to tackle all the tricky race corners. We also had to watch weight very closely, so it's the lightest LEGO Technic body yet. It's also the first one that is able to complete a full lap on Silverstone.
It's amazing, and I guess that must be what makes this collaboration so special is because of all the mechanical elements that you mentioned. It has actually been out on track.
Yeah, that was a great feeling, and what I enjoyed very much about this partnership with McLaren, with Jonathan and his team, was that we were treated as equals. So we went to Silverstone as a marketing arm of a toy company, or we were treated as real automotive peers. We did our booth, garage, we call it. And we got to spend a week on Silverstone, just that this was real, so dream came true for us.
Jonathan, is that the only way really to approach this unique partnership? Is you're building a Lego car, but it is actually a car that you can take out and will drive on track.
It is, yes, and the P1 itself inspired Lego Technic's toughest challenge today. So when we introduced and released the P1 in 2011, we set about redefining high performance within the automotive industry. And what we created was the most exciting, most capable, technologically advanced and dynamically accomplished car of its time. And what we've done here with the LEGO group is we've reflected that in the life size of the LEGO model that was able to achieve a lap of Silverstone.
It is something special to have such a true partnership between these two large entities.
It is, and there's a lot of similarities between the two companies, and for me what really stands out is the attention to detail and the engineering excellence that are synonymous with McLaren, but also with the LEGO group as well. So it was a pleasure working with Lubor and his team to create really a life-size toy.
Lubor, again, this is a special partnership between these two companies, and it was weight. That was one of the difficult challenges. But is there one thing in particular that stuck out that really you had to find some unique solutions to?
It's hard to me to single out just one thing, but one story that I like to tell is how we approached the front end light, for example, where I couldn't find the perfect match for the shape that the McLaren design team put on. And it turns out we just had the perfect element in our LEGO inventory. And if you use a canopy from this LEGO submarine, it's a perfect size and shape for McLaren light. So this is a great collaboration, and I think there's way more than we expected.
I was going to ask as we get towards the end is what else can we expect from this type of activation and this partnership with McLaren?
First of all, you're all welcome to walk around and see the cars. We cannot, of course, comment on anything that's coming next, but there's always something in the making. So who knows what we'll be back with.
This has been a fascinating discussion and collaboration. Thank you, Lubor. Thank you, Jonathan. We appreciate it. They'll be here for a little while if you have specific questions, if you want to get a photo with them and the car. We should tell everyone as well that you can also enjoy this creativity throughout the duration of the Canadian International Auto Show. And thank you for joining us today and explore the rest of the displays and the other activities. And we really appreciate LEGO and McLaren being part of this today. Thank you both. Thank you all for coming. Thank you.
I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.